Oh my God, it's Stone Cold. Stone Cold is back. He hasn't fought for a very long while. He's got the WWE Championship as he won John Cena the last Monday. Stone Cold Steve Austin 316. Alright, here the match is gonna start. The WWE Champion. Who's gonna win? Oh, I'm so excited for this, Michael. I'm too, Jerry. Read the bell, ref.
Okay. Okay. Are you good?
Oh my God. Oh my God, Miz is very angry. Oh my God. No. That's not a cool thing to do at Stone Cold. He'll rape your head off. What did you say, Michael? He's gonna rip your head off. I don't think so. Oh, Miz. Miz is down. The ref is cheating. What a cool counter. Oh. What a bicycle kick that.
1, 2, 2.
No. He didn't win. Oh. No. Watch it, Miz. Watch it. Oh my God! What a beautiful neck breaker is that? Here goes the pin.
2, 2.
Miz is down. Miz is down. Oh. No. Everybody's kicking the second guy. No. That's not the right thing to do. My God. They're getting very extreme right here. The ref is talking to Stone Cold. Oh. What a kick in the head. Oh! Bicycle kick to the referee. The ref is down. Oh, he hit him with a stick. No! Wake up, ref. Hey. Wake up. The cameraman is trying to wake up the ref. What are they doing down there? The cameraman is trying to wake up the ref. Watch out, Miz. The ref is here. Miz saying that he did nothing. He only was hitting his ass with a stick. Oh, no. The window. Oh. Oh, the finisher. Finish him, Stone Cold. Finish him. 316.
1, 2.
Oh, he didn't got it. He didn't win. No. Watch out. Oh, the submission. Oh, he countered it. Stone Cold's getting real angry over here. Submission. I don't know. Who's gonna win this night? I don't know, Jerry. Who's gonna win this night? The WWE Champion. Who's gonna win it? No. Skullbreaker. Oh! Watch out, Sonko. Oh no! Oh, shoes! Every one of them is down. They're all awake. Oh, oh, right to the balls. Submission. You can do it, miss. You can do it. That's my doggy. Oh, he's going to the ropes. He's going to the ropes. He's going to the ropes. No, he didn't.
No, no, no.
Rope break. Oh, he hit the ref. Oh no, the stick again. Not again. Oh. Wake up, ref. The cameraman is trying to wake up the referee. You can do it. No. Oh, my God. Finish him. Finish him, Stone Cold. Oh, he's having some more fun over here. Oh, my God. No. It's not the right thing to kick here. Oh. No. Oh, my God. بودا طيح بودا طيح He's trying to go for the pin.
1, 2, 2.
No, he didn't. He's taking a rest. He's just trying to wake up. Oh no! Watch out, Miz! Watch out! Oh no!
1, 2, 3, 2.
Skullbreaker.
1, 2, 3.
Here's our winner, the Miz. Oh no, what's he doing? Watch out, Miz. No, no. It's over, guys. It's over. No. No. Alright, guys. This is the end of this episode. We're going back to Monday Night Raw. And have a good night.